In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious s'mores baked oats recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk, half a banana, chocolate chips, crushed graham crackers, marshmallows cut in half, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. In a blender, add in the milk, oats, bananas, salt, cocoa powder, chia seeds, baking powder, and maple syrup, and blend until completely smooth. Pour out half of this mixture into an oven-safe bowl. Top with half of the chocolate chips, half the graham crackers, and half of the marshmallows. Pour the remaining mixture on top of this, making sure to coat the marshmallows completely. Top with remaining chocolate, and graham crackers. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. Top with remaining marshmallows. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute or until the marshmallows are golden brown. Our s'mores baked oats are complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.